Hi and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be modeling one of my fall and Halloween book sets that I'm selling in Teachers Pay Teachers. It's When the Leaf Blew In, one of my favorite books for young kids because you can talk about farm animals. I like it for some of my kids who maybe know they're farm animals but are working on the wind concept. It's a great book for making predictions because if you haven't read this book, and you'll see when I'm modeling, but they always kind of show you what animal's going to be, and my pages fell out here. I need to tape those back in. But they give you clues as to what animal's going to come next and be affected next by this leaf, and talks about, you can talk about cause and effect and everything. Just a really great, well-rounded book. For all ages. I feel like that I work with at least the elementary school. All right, today I'm going to be modeling this book on the Words for Life app, or Words for Life vocabulary on the LAMP app that you can get on an iPad. I have 84 full vocabulary here, so I have access to all of the words. And the word that I will be focusing on the most is when. Okay. I'm also going to show you something great that you can do for your teachers or your aides, paraprofessionals, or just for yourself to remind yourself of what word you're going to work on. I will be doing an upcoming video on how to print out pictures on Avery labels, and then they're so great to use in books that you don't have to print it out on paper and then tape it on. You can just simply put it on these labels and then print out a bunch and put them where you need them. So with the when, kind of going with the LAMP method, showing the motor access. So it can remind them that they're first going to go to the question word, and then they're going to go down to the clock to remind them of the sequence that they need in order to model the word. All right, so again, our title of our book is When the Leaf Blew In by Steve Metzger. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. And then it's illustrated by Kelly Lewis. All right, here we go with the modeling. So when the leaf blew in. All right. Oops. When the leaf blew in, the cow sneezed. Achoo! Look at that. That looks like he had a big sneeze from that little old leaf. When the cow sneezed, achoo, the spider landed on the owl. Oh no. I wonder what's going to happen now. When the spider landed on the owl, the owl swooped out of the barn. Do you see another animal? I wonder what's going to happen. When the owl swooped out of the barn, the pig dove in to the mud. He got in the mud. Oh no, that pig's gonna be so dirty. Dirty. Oh no. Alright, so we have our spider, owl, and pig. Is there a new animal in our picture? Yes. I see a goat. I wonder what's going to happen to the goat. When the pig dove into that mud, the goat kicked over the bucket. Oh no, look at his face. Woo! He is mad about getting dirty, I think. And he kicked over the bucket. Whew. I bet that made a loud noise. Do you see what I see? We have a new animal. When the goat kicked over the bucket, the chicken spun around and around. Look at that. That chicken's going around in a circle. Around in a circle. Oh my goodness. I see some feet. I wonder what it is. Yeah. Do you see that animal? It's a horse. When the chicken spun around and around, the horse reared up and neighed. It got scared, I bet. It was scared from the chicken spinning. We have some more animals now. What is going to happen? When the horse reared up and neighed, the sheep, look at that sheep. It leaped over the barrel. I see a duck. I see a duck. I wonder, what is the duck gonna do? When the sheep leaped over the barrel, the duck jumped into the pond. Oh no, it's gonna get so wet in the pond. And look, there's another new animal. When the duck jumped into the pond, the frog hopped on to a lily pad. Yes. Look at that frog's face. Whew. He looks like he got scared from the duck as well. Do you see what I see? When the frog hopped onto a lily pad, the dragonfly buzzed across the sky. Yeah. And look, it's going to fly near some new animals. I see a dog and a squirrel. I wonder what they're going to do. When the dragonfly buzzed across the sky, the dog woke up and he chased the squirrel because dogs like chasing squirrels. Look, he looks like he is happy to be running after that squirrel. But uh-oh, there's another animal in the way. When the dog woke up and chased the squirrel, and look, he chased him up a tree. The robin flew up into the tree. And when the robin flew into the tree, that's when the leaf blew in. Oh no. Look at that cow. He looks scared to be seeing another leaf. I wonder if he'll sneeze again. Whew. Look, there's all of our animals, and they are watching the leaves blow by. that's the end of our book. We're finished. All right, so like I said, this book is in my, there's a book companion to it in my Teachers Pay Teachers Fall and Halloween language packet, book companion packet that's online. Just look up Speech Without Limits and you can find it. And there, a great activity that I did last week with it was I had farm animals from In the Story printed out, and I put them up on one of my magnetic cabinets. And the kids either had to retell the story with a leaf that blew across from animal to animal, or for some of my younger kids who are just working on the farm animal vocabulary, we would talk about the animals and they had to cover up the animal that we were talking about with a leaf, just to show some of that receptive knowledge and whatnot and understanding. So you can pick that up in my Teachers Pay Teachers. I recently just lowered the price from $4 to $1.75, I believe. So it's pretty cheap, and you get 5 different books and activities to go along with it. And I'll try to do a video with each one featuring the book and talking about some of the activities I have with it. Okay? Thanks for watching.